was a person who would not recite salat upon the beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. दुरूद पाक नहीं पढ़ता था एक बंदा. One night he was privileged to see the noblest Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam in his dream. आका ख्वाब में तशरीफ लाए. The noblest Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not pay attention to him. He humbly said, "O Prophet of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, are you displeased with me? क्या आप मुझसे नाराज हैं?" नबी पाक अलैहिस्सलाम ने क्या फरमाया? No. He replied, no. फिर उसने he humbly asked, then why do you not give me any attention? मुझ पर तवज्जो क्यों नहीं फरमा रहे या रसूल अल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु ताला अलैहि वसल्लम? The beloved and blessed Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied, because I do not recognize you. मैं तुम्हें नहीं जानता. Shocking. Request करता, या रसूल अल्लाह, how is it possible that you do not recognize me? I am one of your ummatis, and the scholars say that you know your ummati better than a father knows his son. आका, आप तो बाप जिस तरह बच्चे को पहचानता है उससे ज्यादा अपने उम्मती को पहचानते हैं, मुझे नहीं पहचान रहे. मैं भी गुलाम, या रसूल अल्लाह, मैं भी उम्मती. Look what Rasul Pak sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to him. The Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied, they have said right. Ulama ne sahi kaha hai. But you do not remember me through durood, and I remember the people of my ummah due to their recitation of durood. मैं अपनी उम्मत को दुरूद के सबब पहचानता हूं. फिर फरमाया, the more they recite durood upon me, the more I know them. जो जितना दुरूद पढ़ता है उसको उतना जानता हूं. Upon awakening, जब ये उठा शख्स जो दुरूद नहीं पढ़ता था, he made it necessary upon himself to habitually recite salat ala nabi, means durood upon the noble Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam every day. After some time he was again privileged to see the beloved and blessed Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam in his dream. The noblest Prophet, Rasul of Ummah sallallahu alaihi wasallam has stated, I recognize you now and I will intercede for you. तो मैं पहचानता भी हूं, तुम्हारी शफाअत भी करूंगा. तो पता चला दुरूद पाक ये दरबारे रिसालत में पहुंचने का जरिया है.